So in this video I will be showing you how you can make a teleport GUI in Roblox Studio, and I have already prepared these three parts, and we will start by creating a model. So insert a model and you can call it however you want, so I will call it teleport parts. And this is very important, go to the properties and there in behavior the model streaming, go there and change it to persistent. And now we can add a part there, and this can be anything, so I can change it. Gesture of transparency will be 1, and don't forget to enhrit and put can collide off, and I will also set the size to 1, and now I will move it there. Let's duplicate it. This will be green, this will be red, and this will be blue. And now let's create the GUI. So go to starter GUI and insert a screen GUI, and I will call it teleport UI, and let's insert a frame there. Let's set the size to 1 and then resize it. Now insert a scrolling frame and set the size to 0.9 and the position to 0.5 and entry point to 0.5. And here we will have our buttons that will teleport us. Let's set the canvas size Y to 1 and scrolling direction will be Y, and then set automatic canvas size to Y. I will also set the scroll bar transparency to 1, so it's invisible. And what we will add now is a UI list layout and a frame. I will set the size to 0.5 and edit it like this. X size will be 0.9, position will be 0.5, and Y will be maybe 0.25. We can call it teleport 1. Duplicate it and call it teleport 2. In teleport 1 go to layout order and set it to 1, and in teleport 2 set it to 2. Now insert a UI padding and padding left, and let's add maybe 0.2 or 0.1. And in UI list layout we will go to padding and set it to maybe 0.2. Okay, 0.1. Maybe 0.05. It doesn't really matter. Just set it however you want to. But maybe also add a padding top to 0.1 or 0.05. And I came up with a better idea. So just insert a UI grid layout into the scrolling frame and set the cell size X to 0.9 and Y to 0.4. Cell padding X will be 0 and Y will be 0.05. Horizontal alignment will be center and vertical alignment will be top. And basically here you can see all of my properties. What we are going to do now is add a text label. Set the entry point to 0.5 and set the position to 0.5. We can add a blue text and scaled, and I will also change the font. So background transparency will be 1, and I will move it a little bit up like this. Then insert a text button and we will do the same thing. So entry point will be 0.5, position will be 0.5. The text will say teleport and the size will be 0.5. Let's also quickly change the size of the text, so the X will be maybe 0.2. Oh, so 0.9, and the Y will be 0.2 or maybe 0.3. We will see. Let's go to the teleport button. The X position will be 0.9. And this will be maybe 0.3. Now go to the teleport 1 frame and go to background transparency and set it to 1. We can add a UI stroke to this text label and set it to white color. and maybe thickness will be 3. And we can make the teleport button a little bit bigger. And we can also maybe change the color. So if I duplicate it, you can see I can keep duplicating it, and we will have space for each new button. But we only need 3, so let's rename this to 2 and this to 3. You can also go there and change the layout order, so 2 and 3. So the 2 will be red, so let's change this to red. And the third one will be green. And now we can script it, so click on the button, insert a local script. And we will start by getting the player, so local plr equals to game get service players dot local player, local teleport parts equals to game get service workspace wait for child teleport parts 15. Script.parent.mouse button one click, connect function, player.character pivot to, and then we will do teleport parts dot blue dot cframe. Now you can just copy the script and paste it into the other buttons and just change the part, so this will be red, and here this will be green. And yeah, now we can save it and try it. So as you can see, we can scroll there, and if I click blue, it will teleport me there, red and green. So yeah, this is how you can make a teleport GUI. The design can look different, but I wanted to show also how you can make like this scrolling frame where you can put infinite amount of stuff, and the scrolling frame will also adapt depending on how many stuff you have in it. So yeah, hopefully you like this tutorial and it helped you. If it did, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.